Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm back with a part 3 video for explanation video pandas library inside of Python code. And in the last video I started a little bit explanation video how can we index the value from the panda data frame. And in today's video I will going to continue those indexing, how the way we can index the data frame. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, I'm back. In the last time I show you how can we index by using less than or greater than value. And if you want to see this data that have only more than 500 million number, and we can index this way. And then also let's say we want to index more than 1 billion population that have the country. And then we also want to index let's say the continent is equal to let's say North America, equal to North America. So I don't know if they use capital letter or no, but let me just write it. It must be in the string as well. North America. Let me run this one. Okay, yeah, there is no North America. It is because maybe they don't have capital either. Okay, whatever. Or let's just see only in Africa, maybe. Okay, let me explain what this code are going to do. Okay, first it will going to find the population that have more than 10 million people, and then after that I think 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 10 million. And then after that it will going to find that the continent here, the columns that have continent, the F continent, that are equal to Africa here. And if I run this one, it's only going to show us the populations that have more than 10 million, and then the continent are equal to Africa, strings way, like this one. Okay, let me run this one. Okay, I got some error. I think maybe I think, yeah, you have to use if you put more than one index way, you have to surround it by, you have to make it like a tuple. If this coming, this will let me explain. This is going to be a boolean, right? If this true, it will going to only show us the true one. Okay, before I do that, let me show you. Okay, If I run this one, as you can see here, it is a boolean. And then what we're saying here is only show us that have only true. So here this will going to be ignored. This also going to be ignored because it have false boolean. So this two this one is, if this one is true, and then also if this one is also true, we use an AND. So they must be, those two must be true. Let me show you. Okay, I have to surrounded by bracket because the code does not going to understand it. Let me copy and paste it down. I mean, it is hard to understand this topic in one video. I highly suggest you to watch many other video, and then also highly suggest you to play with the code in yourself. Okay, I don't know why I get this error. I don't, that work if I do this one. Okay, this also doesn't work. Okay, maybe I'm sorry, I don't know why this is not working. Yeah, as you can see here, this also is a boolean. This is the second value here. As you can see here, this have in the continent it have Africa, so it will going to output true. Okay, but I don't know why this is not working. Maybe do I have to make it this way? Maybe it does work. Okay guys, let me try in the other way. Does that work? Okay. Okay guys, I will come back after I figure out the error that I get. Guys, I'm back. I'm sorry for misconception. Instead of using this one, we need to use the symbol one, the symbol and what is it called, symbol. That's what I called it. Okay, we have to use this one for and, but if you want to use or, we have to use this one, and if you want to use and, we have to use this one. And I will explain you what and then or, the difference between and or. Okay, this will going to be this if this one is true, and then also if this one is also true. If both are true, it will going to show us here. But if we use or, what we're going to show us here is if one of the, if this one or if this one is are true, they don't have to be both of true. It only have to be one of the true, but also if they are both are true, we're going to also print it out, but they don't have to be both true. As you can see here, the continent is not Africa, but it's printed out because I think the 2022 population is more than 10 million. Okay, I hope you understand it. Let me show you here by what I mean by that here. Okay, let me just copy it here this one, and paste it here. Let me write this one. Okay, as you can see here, the first one is here are true. It's because the continent is Asia, but the population is more than 10 million, and the first index, I mean the number one index, is not qualified posting, this one or this one. So let's see, just okay, as you can see here, the continent is Europe, and then it is less than 10 million. It is 2 million, I think. 1 2 3 1 2 3, yeah, it is 2 million. So it is not qualified to be shown here. That's the difference between or. But if it is and, it must be both have to be true. I hope that makes sense. And to wrap it up in your mind to understand it well, I highly suggest you to run in your local device. And then also we don't need this bracket, but we need this one, because for some reason we can also just ignore this. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next part video. See you there. Goodbye.